Imagine seizing the opportunity to possess a unique villa on the enchanting island of Paxos, a place with a story woven in Greek mythology itself. Set within a verdant plot spanning 1,170 square meters on this beautiful island lies an exquisite villa with a total area of 260 square meters. Crafted from wood and stone, bathed in natural light, and exuding an air of tranquility, an ideal haven for those with a romantic soul who cherish mesmerizing sunsets. This villa welcomes you with an open-plan kitchen, dining area, and living room, as well as a luxurious master ensuite bedroom with 2 additional ensuite bedrooms. Currently serving as an office, this room provides access to an enclosed garage. Stepping into the enchanted garden, you'll relish the opportunity to unwind by taking a refreshing dip in the pool, followed by a leisurely drink, basking in the cool island breeze. Don't miss your chance to make this captivating villa your own piece of paradise on Paxos. Contact Roula Rouva Real Estate today.